We've talked about how materials have changed a bit. And I'll tell people that we do things different in Arizona than a lot of other places in the country. And boy, roofing is one of the places that things are very much different because it's exposed to such an intense degree of sun.
Yeah.
Interspersed with monsoon, cold rain, and wind.
Yep. We get a heavy dose of each of those, and they come. Obviously, the sun is the most prolonged, but when the rains do come, they're heavy and they can cause a lot of damage. One thing, clearly, we get a lot more business when the rain does affect the Arizona highlight here. But the point of that is that we recommend getting a free roof inspection well before those storms hit so that we can get up there, see what's there. It's a lot easier to fix before than to have to deal with the water in the home and what that could cause as additional damage and cost. So